What's up guys, welcome back with me Sneak Compare, and today I have another comparison video for you guys between two pairs of Nike KD 15 Teal colorway. So let's do it. As you can see here on the first sample, just like the other colorways, the cage size is definitely too big, more bigger than the authentic one. There is no gap between the lining and the cage. And also this one, the cage is misplaced. This one is slightly to the right because you can see here the eyelets so stop should be right behind the eyelets here on the authentic. And also on the forefoot, you can see the white layer here should be following the shape of the midsole, where it's on the fake one here. You can see it's way too off. And also this one, you can see the lining here, the gap between the lining and the cage is too narrow. And also this, so that's indicate that the cage size is misplaced. You can see here the eyelets so stop. This one also should be right behind the eyelets on the cage. Another sample also, this one, you can see the color is different. You can see on the midsole here, the A zoom here, the color is darker than on the cage. Another sample again, you can see it's very clear. There's no gap, the cage size is too big, it's looking terrible. And also another sample again, still same. The white layer here isn't following the shape of the midsole like the authentic one here. Moving to the inside part of the shoes, as you can see here, the cage size is slightly to the right, is misplaced by showing the eyelets here. You can see. Another sample again, this one, the cage size is slightly come up. You can see on the marking area here, there is no gap, where it's on the authentic one, there is a little bit gap here between the eyelets and the cage. Looking from above here, the stitches here is rounded, where it's on the fake one it's slightly horizontal. Another one here is very clear, it's pretty easy to spot. You can see it's on the fake one here, the stitching is straight horizontal, on the authentic is rounded. And this one also still same. Moving to the back of the shoes, as you can see here, on the left shoes is not centered, it's slightly to the right, to the left. Also on the right shoes is slightly to the left also. Take a closer look. As you can see here, the stitching on the heel tab can slightly wider on the fake one compared to the authentic. The stitches is not out of the heel tab size, where it's on the fake one is slightly wider. Another sample also, you can see here, this one is slightly to the right, isn't centered. Alright guys, that's my explanation. I hope you get it, and if you have any question or request, just let me know by leave the comment down below. And thank you very much for watching. See you on the next video.